Welcome back to the Jimbo Hannon Show at 1-866-50-JIMBO. We're talking to Adam Furgatch, who is fighting a battle. Would it be safe to say that you are looking at the Citizens United case and essentially saying that if corporations have the same rights as individuals, they should have the same responsibilities? Would that be a fair summation?
Yes, that is the nature of my case.
We're here at the Control the Corporations conference put on by Ralph Nader's organization and the Now DC, which is an occupational organization here in Washington, D.C.
His name is Adam Furgatch. I hope you'll give him a round welcome. He came all the way from Hawaii. Adam's doing two things. Number one, he's bringing a novel litigation, which he's going to tell you about, which is sort of the obverse of corporate personhood. It's holding corporations accountable under the law. And then the second thing he's doing is he's doing a documentary film on corporate personhood.
I'm involved in a unique case in the MF Global bankruptcy.
When are we going to stop making excuses for ourselves because we can establish a narrative that these corporations are all powerful?
So how can corporations get all the rights we have since they're just an artificial legal entity chartered by state government? By making corporations persons. And since no legislature, no Congress has done that, it was done by judicial fiat. The word corporation or the word company never appears in our Constitution. Our Constitution starts with we the people, not we the corporation.
We are here in New York City at the U.S. Federal Bankruptcy Courthouse. We're getting ready to go in with Adam to support him in his motion that he's filed against MF Global Holdings.
Today in the courtroom, we are bringing forth the relationship of corporate personhood to the bankruptcy code in light of the Citizens United case and other cases that have been recently heard and ruled on.
With all due deference to separation of powers, last week the Supreme Court reversed a century of law that I believe will open the floodgates for special interests, including foreign corporations, to spend without limit in our elections.
This issue of Citizens United is going to be one of the most important issues of the political campaign, and already people are appearing all over television, radio, articles in newspapers about this issue. The majority of the voters want Citizens United out of our elections. So everybody's going on television when John McCain goes on the Tonight Show and says it's the worst decision Supreme Court's ever made. President Obama speaks of it. So when you have that much support across the political spectrum, it's a hot topic. And the idea that we can actually do something about it right now, rather than wait for a constitutional amendment or other things, this is actually an idea that is a scoop. It's a scoop.